Imagine walking along a narrow path through dense tropical foliage. The sunlight filters softly through palm fronds, the air warm and humid. Ahead, concrete volumes emerge, calm, refined, yet not cold. They seem to breathe with the jungle. This home isn't just a building, it's a refuge, a hidden sanctuary where architecture bows to nature and invites you to pause, breathe, and feel the earth beneath your feet. In this vision, home becomes a sanctuary of comfort, disconnection from the hectic outside world, and reconnection with the primordial calm of the forest. The house sits delicately among existing trees, preserving the majority of vegetation so that concrete and green live side by side. Walls of raw concrete block rise with clean, modest geometry, framing glimpses of palms and tropical plants rather than imposing on the landscape. The layout feels private, inward-facing volumes shelter a hidden courtyard, a private garden, and a shimmering pool. The surrounding dense foliage softens the brutalist edges, giving the concrete an organic context. In the gentle contrast between the structured built form and the wild, unstructured vegetation, the design evokes a sense of hidden calm, an oasis carved quietly within the jungle. Although concrete is prominent, the atmosphere isn't cold or industrial. The finishes draw from local materials: wood, chukum, a regional earthen finish, and other natural textures soften the surfaces. These materials, alongside lush greenery visible through large openings, imbue warmth and freshness. High ceilings and generous openings allow breezes and dappled light to flow through. The result is an ambience that feels both rooted in its tropical context and elegantly contemporary. The home whispers subtlety. You feel neither distant from nature nor enclosed by architecture. Stepping inside, you're greeted by airy, open interiors, living spaces that feel expansive thanks to high ceilings, natural ventilation, and generous views of the surrounding garden. Concrete walls and polished surfaces ground the rooms, while wood accents, natural tones, and greenery soften them, creating balance. The large windows frame verdant glimpses as if the jungle is part of the living room itself. In this home, boundaries between inside and outside blur. Each glance outside becomes a moment of calm, each breath inside carries the scent of earth and foliage. It's a living room that doesn't just host life, it celebrates it. In the private zones, bedrooms or reading nooks, the design retains its serenity. With understated, natural finishes and soft textures, these spaces cradle you in tranquility. Concrete gives solidity, wood and local materials add softness. Muted light filters through louvered openings or garden-facing windows, casting gentle patterns on walls, inviting rest, reflection, dream. Here, the home becomes more than shelter, it becomes a cocoon, a place to reconnect with one's inner rhythm, far from noise, far from rush. Just beyond the main volumes is the courtyard garden and pool, a private outdoor oasis. The garden is lush, wild, with tropical plants and palms spilling over stone and concrete edges. The pool, simple, elegant, reflects sky and leaves, doubling the presence of nature. Outdoor seating, shaded areas, natural stone paths, these transform the outdoors into an extension of living space. It's a place to lounge, read, meditate, or share meals under filtered sunlight. In this design, everyday life flows seamlessly between inside and outside. Nature is not just a view, it becomes part of the rhythm of living. This conception of a home, rooted in the spirit of Bruma Tulum, isn't about showiness or grand gestures. It's about humility, serenity, balance. It's concrete that listens to the forest, materials that speak the language of the earth, spaces that breathe with light and air. As architects and dreamers, we can envision homes like this, sanctuaries where modern comfort meets natural calm, where privacy and openness coexist, where human dwellings become gentle whispers among trees. Let this vision guide your creativity, whether in renderings, sketches, or prose, and let it remind us that architecture can be poetry, softly sung by concrete, wood, and leaves.